In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a document to OneDrive in Excel. Saving your Excel workbook to OneDrive is a great way to back up your files, keep them accessible across devices, and make sharing simpler. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need, and I'll add a few tips so you know what to expect on screen. We'll start in Excel, move to the File menu, choose the OneDrive location, give the file a clear name, and finish by saving it to the cloud. First, open Microsoft Excel. You can launch it from your Start menu or Applications folder like you normally would. Once Excel is open, look at your recent files on the home screen and open a recent workbook you want to save to OneDrive. If you don't see it listed, that's okay. You can open any existing workbook from your computer. The steps are the same no matter which file you pick. With your workbook open, go to the upper left of the screen and click File. This takes you into the Backstage view where all your save and export options live. In the left panel, choose Save As. This option lets you choose a new location and, if you want, a new name, while keeping your original file intact on your computer. Next, select OneDrive. Personal as the save location. This tells Excel you want the file stored in your cloud drive rather than on your local machine. Depending on your setup, you might see OneDrive in the list of places or as a cloud icon. Click it to proceed. Sometimes Excel may show OneDrive Personal more than once or ask you to confirm the location. If you see it again, click OneDrive Personal again to confirm you're saving to that cloud space. Now in the file name box, type a clear, descriptive name for your workbook. Use something that will make sense to you later, such as including a date or a brief description. Avoid special characters that don't play nicely in file names. Keeping names consistent helps when you're searching in OneDrive. Finally, click Save. Excel will upload the file to OneDrive and set that cloud copy as the working version. You should see a quick confirmation, and from this point on, your changes can sync to the cloud. If you're online, the save should be fast. If your connection is slow, give it a moment. And that's it. Your workbook is now safely stored in OneDrive, ready to access from any device where you sign in to Excel.